So the first step, then start sharing screen, share screen number 1. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go here and type language. Language settings, it's up there. And you need to add another language. Okay. Let's say the Egyptian Arabic. Okay. And install. So it will install. We wait until it installs. And here we go. So now I want to go here. When I go here, I can see in the language button, I can see 2 languages, this one and this one. So now let's open a Microsoft Word file. Let's open a new Microsoft Word file. Okay. So let's open, okay, file, Word file. I don't want this. This. So let's say here, file, new. Okay. Now, let's make the font big so that you guys can see. Okay. You need to type Arabic from right to left. Okay. So if we say Allah, first of all, we need to go to the Arabic mode. And if we say Allah, you want it to be from the right to left, not from left to right. So the default is going to open right to left. So you need to set it up like this. Okay, set it up to be from right to left. That's one thing you need to do. Another thing that you need to do is that you can have the Arabic keyboard. So you can open this search box and type key. Okay, I want to change to English first. So change this to English, and then go back here and type keyboard. Comes to me to the on-screen keyboard. That's it. And we can see that when we switch the language into Arabic, it switches into Arabic. So most likely, for me, I know how to type on the buttons right away. I don't need this on-screen keyboard, but for your case, probably you need it. So you may want to pin it to the taskbar or to the start menu. Okay, so you can do that. Keyboard. Again, I need to switch to English. Keyboard. You can pin it to start and pin it to taskbar. That's what I'm doing. I'm pinning it to both. Okay, so I suggest that you do the same so that you have quick access to it. So you can turn it off and on quickly. Okay. So now let's see how can we use this keyboard to type things. Let's say I want to type Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I want to type Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to first start from right to left, make sure it's right to left, and then click the cursor and start change the language to Arabic, and said like Bismi. Okay, let's make it up here so that we know what we're doing. Bismi. So B kasra, Sin sukun, Bismi kasra, and then space, Allah. The word would recognize the word Allah and does the proper tashkil. You are only left to do the tashkil of the last letter, which is the ha. So we want to see, okay, we want to put Bismillah, Bismillahi, so it's going to be a kasra. Okay, Ar-Rahman, you can do the tashkil as you go, or you can do it at the end. Ar-Rah, that's Ra Fatha, Shadda. Ra, Shadda, so you shift, Shadda, and then another shift, Fatha. Ar-Rah, the Ha has sukoon. Oops. Ar-Rah, the Mim has Fatha. And then the Noon has Kasra. You can also write the word and then do the tashkil later. For example, here, you can write this thing here, Ar-Rahim. Okay, and then go back for tashkil. So Ra will have Shadda and Fatha. The Ha has Kasra. And the Mim has Kasra. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The reason this is pronounced as Bismillah is because it has a Kasra. Okay? But if you're doing Allahu Akbar, you don't say Allahu Akbar. You say Allahu Akbar. So we have Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. So if you type Allahu Akbar, okay, I'm going to type it fast. Or actually, let's do Akbar with the, so we need with the keyboard. So this is A, and then Ka, Ba, Ra. So this Allah takes Dhamma. Allahu Akbar is A, Ka, oops, my bad. Sukoon, and then Fatha, oops, that's Kasra. And then here we have Dhamma. Okay, these are the harakat and the sukoon. Now, what if we want to do tanween? If we want to do tanween, let's go here. For example, say Rahimun. Rahimun. So Ra, or let's say Rahiman. 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 So you want to add tanween fatha here. Rahiman. So here is tanween fatha. Okay? Rahiman. You want to add Rahimun. So you do Rahimun. So Ra, He, and then tanween Dhamma. This is tanween Dhamma. This is Dhamma. This is tanween Dhamma. Rahimun. Then we want also to do Rahimin, tanween Kasra. So Ra, He, Mun, Rahimun, and this is, or I'm sorry, Rahiman. We did Rahiman. We did Rahimun, so Rahimin. So Rahimin. So that's called tanween. Tanween fatha, tanween dhamma, tanween kasra. Okay? All right. So now with this, you can edit the homework that I sent to you, and then you can answer the questions right there. Okay? There is something that I want to share with you about tanween dhamma. Usually I like the tanween dhamma to be two dhammas, but this is not available. The font, the Arabic font being used, it gives me only that choice. Tanween dhamma has to be like this. Okay? So I just, sometimes you find me using this or using the two dhammas for tanween. Okay? All right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.